Make sure the audio works. Hey, welcome to the behind the scenes tour. I'm your host, Ben. Let's go get some coffee.
Hey there, welcome to Ben's Plant-Based Kitchen, where I show you the easy, affordable foods I cook, and you should try them too, because it's good for you, your kids, their kids, and the earth.
Hey folks, I'm Ben. Welcome to my plant-based kitchen, where today we've got a nice quick hitter lunch or easy dinner, and that is plant-based DAWGS. These things are awesome. They take maximum 10 minutes to come together. Each one's got about 24 grams of good old plant-based protein in there, so it's delicious and nutritious. They're just awesome. Let's get into it. So ingredients for this are super simple. I have, first off, my plant-based Italian sausages. This is Tofurkey plant-based original sausage, Italian style. They're really good. I was thinking earlier today, I feel kind of bad for
Tofurkey.
Remember when I was a kid, they were like the only alternative meat brand out there, and they were called Tofurkey, which made me think of just a massive turkey made of tofu.
I question their name branding.
Anyways, they have some really awesome products now, but now they gotta compete with like Impossible and Beyond, and I just personally think those brand names are a lot better than Tofurkey. Anyway, these are delicious. I highly recommend them. So I got my package here. Comes with 4 in a package, costs like $5 or so. They look like sausages. When it comes to faux meats, I really like a sausage because when you eat a meat-based sausage, you're not really tasting the meat as much as you are the spices they put into the sausage itself. So when I get a plant-based Italian sausage, it's got all those same Italian seasonings that you would get in a normal beef Italian or pork Italian sausage. Next up, we have hot dog buns. I like to keep these in the freezer. They'll stay in there for a month or two. Whenever I need one or two, I'll pull them out, heat them up real quick, and they're ready to go.
What am I doing with my life? Is YouTube ever gonna work? Do people like, shut up, you're being an idiot. Suppress your anxieties.
I like to top my sausage dog with a little bit of finely chopped onion and some stone ground mustard as well. I prefer this to your normal yellow mustard. Yellow mustard for me is just a little bit harsh. This has more of a sort of well-rounded flavor, but if you like yellow mustard, go for it. If you like ketchup,
go for it. If you like them plain, go for it.
This is just what I like. White onion's probably your best bet. It's a little milder, a little sweeter, less harsh on the palate, but I had yellow onion in my pantry, so I'm gonna use yellow onion today. I also have some avocado oil. You can use any oil you want to, just need a little tiny bit to heat up the dogs. First thing I wanna do, so I don't forget, because I've forgotten before, is defrost my hot dog buns. So I'm gonna take 2 of these, since I have 2 dogs here today, pop them in the microwave for 30 seconds or so until they are ready to go. Be right back.
You should mention that I like to put sauerkraut on there.
I love sauerkraut, man.
Next thing, we got 2 steps. I'm gonna get these sausages cooking. While they're cooking, I'll prep my onion. This is already ready to go. Once that's all done, we'll bring it all together and we're finished. The package recommendation says to cook them on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. I've been making these for a while and that's pretty much what I do and it works. So I recommend you do the same thing. And you need just a little tiny bit of oil here, basically to keep the sausage from sticking to the pan when you put it in there. I'm talking like a teaspoon maybe. That's it. I don't even wait for my oil to heat up here. I just toss my sausages right in there. I like to shimmy them around to coat them with some oil. So these are on medium-low heat. I like to just shake them around in that oil a bit. There we are. So now every surface of the dog is coated and none of it is gonna stick. Once it comes to a little bit of a simmer, I'll just monitor the heat, cook them for 4 or 5 minutes until they're heated through and they're done. While our sausages are sausaging, we'll go ahead and prep our onion. One reason I love this, especially on a weeknight, is because these are hands off. I can get everything else ready to go. It all comes together, easy peasy. So, onion, I will chop off the non-root end, like so. I like to take off this little tidbit right there, because that's no good for stock. But the rest of this, I'll throw into my stock bag and use it for some veggie stock later on. My sausages are simmering a little bit. Just toss them around. There we go. All right, half this onion. I'll keep this half for something else. I will use this. A huge part of home cooking, I can't emphasize enough, is use your ingredients. I have a leftover half onion. I'll make a stir fry or a curry or a salad or something. I'll use this tomorrow. All right, this half I'll peel. This is good for stock, so we'll throw that into the stock pile. This is a very strange onion. I've got like a second peel in here. How about that? So I'm gonna take that guy off too. Stockpile, well, second peel. Weird. That's all right, stockpile for that. And this little bit here, we'll use to top our hot dogs. So I want this chopped very fine. I don't want huge chunks of onion on top of my hot dogs, could be overwhelming. So to accomplish that, we will make a bunch of horizontal slits here. One more, there we go. And some tightly spaced vertical slits. There we are. And we'll chop down through nice and fine as well. Cool. And this last little tidbit here, I'll chop off the root. That's waste, can't use it. But this little bit here, I'll throw into my stockpile as well. All right, I'm gonna clean up just a little bit. These have gone for about 2 minutes so far. They need 2 to 3 more minutes. We'll come back and we'll talk about plating. Be right back. Got the buns out of the microwave, onions are chopped, my mustard's here, dogs are done, heat's going off. Now, I don't like wasting silverware and stuff if I don't have to, so I like to just grab my dogs out of the pan with the bun, like that. Now see you on in there, bud. All right, we're gonna get some sweet plating shots with the mustard and the onion. Be right back. Dogs are ready, slow-mo shots have been taken, cats are in the barnyard. It's time for the EAT score. That's ease, affordability, and taste. First, ease. These are incredibly easy, they take 5 minutes, they stay in your fridge forever, you can have them anytime, 5. Affordability. Each one of these costs $1.75. That means in front of you, you see $3.50. Pretty good deal. I'm going 5 for affordability. I feel like I'm screaming. I'm excited though, you know. Lastly, taste. Let's taste some vegan dogs.
I took too big of a bite.
It's really delicious. I can't go a 5. I don't think I can go a 4 just because, you know, 4's gotta be like a nice home cooked meal. I think at least. I'm gonna go 3.5 though. I really like the mustard and onion combination, but you do you, whatever you like. I know a weirdo who likes sauerkraut on hers. So, total EAT score comes to a 13.5 out of 15. The thing I love about this more than anything is that I can have it anytime. All the ingredients are in my house constantly. If I need something quick, rather than going to get fast food or going out to a restaurant, spend a ton of money, or just wasting away in the corner.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I will make this, and it's delicious and really easy. That's it, Tofurkey Italian sausages. Try them out at home, highly recommended. Happy cooking.